really struggling with how to record this. Check. Can you do a check?
Hola, hola, hola.
You can just talk forward, baby. I'm here, Valencia.
I brought drop. This one is special, so I want to see the response, how you like it, yes or no?
Ah. No. Ah.
What? So we bought candies, and a lot of the black ones are
Drop.
Specific thing from the Netherlands.
What is the trip this time? This time through Europe. We are now...
Hello.
We are traveling together.
Again.
That's actually what I was saying in Curacao. The video of Curacao, I said like, I have a new surprise. This is my new little surprise. And yeah, we are traveling together now through Europe because this is her first time in Europe.
Yeah.
You will probably have a lot of questions right now. It would be nice maybe if we create a Q&A. I'm really struggling with how to record this. But we can make a Q&A maybe. Let me know if you have any questions for her, for me, for us together. Would be really nice. Our first stop in Brugge. What is Brugge in
Brujas.
Yeah, but that's in Spanish. Yeah, what's in English? Bridges? Bridges and witches. In Spanish is witches. What do you think about Brugge?
It was a... Okay, we start.
No, we just continue and then I edit it.
No, because you're gonna put out.
Yes.
Brujas was really nice stop and nice town, nice buildings. I think for starting the trip was super good actually.
Yeah, I think it's worth it if you're from the Netherlands or Belgium. But I like the fries. I mean,
Oh, the fries were amazing there, yes. And then after that we had our first
date? Oh no.
mi amor. Our first night
In a tent.
in a tent.
So what do we need? Did you say?
I need to put the sticks on inside the hole. That sounds terrible.
She has literally no idea how we're gonna set up this tent. Now what?
Now we need to put.
Yeah.
Okay. How is this tent? Oh, this is already fixed.
Ah.
Wow!
And now?
I have no idea.
This is a 2-3 seconds tent and we're doing this in more than a minute.
Great!
And then the city of love.
Yeah, we've been in Paris.
Paris, yeah.
Paris.
I would not name it the city of love, or I missed something special, but yeah.
Hey, you were with me.
So every city is then a city of love, or what you say?
Yeah, of course.
Paris. Yeah, the chocolate was good, no?
Oh yeah, we had a really nice chocolate in Angelina's and was super thick chocolate with cream on the top and it was sweet. And next to it we had a Mont Blanc specialité from the restaurant.
Yeah.
And it was a lot of sugar, but was delicious, was really nice.
But beside that, Paris, it had so many nice architecture. It's so special.
It's really
I mean,
beautiful.
like I am really loving if the design is special. I'm not into museums. She pulled me into a museum for hours. That was too much. But beside the museums, I really liked also to record the buildings from close because then you see the details. For me, the Eiffel Tower is always a famous thing. Definitely not my nicest thing I've seen in Paris. For example, the Arc de Triomphe is super big, it's super nice to see, but I mean, for example, on the Arc de Triomphe, what you see, what they made on it, For me, that's super nice to see. But we needed new legs after.
Yeah, we were walking for every day 20 kilometers. That was a lot.
And the second day we chose to take a metro pass so we can go everywhere by metro. And in the end we walked 20 kilometers again.
Yeah, I don't know. I think that maybe Versailles was taking a lot of time.
Yeah.
And walking. It was a really beautiful place, a really nice palace. And yeah, I was just enjoying a lot. And I don't know, for me, like it was more like about fantasizing that I was living there or something like that. So it was super nice.
So, here we are again. Yesterday we left Paris and today we're gonna climb some stairs to see an amazing castle. In Paris in 2 days we walked 40 kilometers, so our legs and feet are super tired. But this castle was on the way towards Barcelona, because from Paris to Barcelona, yeah, it's incredible. I have no idea what to expect, but you're gonna see this in a bit in this video, in this part. I will put in the caption where we are right now, because I already forgot the name.
To Carcassonne.
Or do you remember?
No.
Great.
But wow, that castle was insane.
It was really nice to go there. It was really impressive because it was very big, actually.
It was insane.
Yeah. And then
From Carcassonne to Barcelona, where we visited your family,
yay! I wanted to go there.
and we ate Ecuadorian food. So, yeah, the joke. In Paris we ate ramen, and in Barcelona we ate Ecuadorian food, and we ate
Sushi.
sushi. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, we were really enjoying about the gastronomy of every country.
Yeah.
But yeah, I really wanted to go towards Barcelona because my family is there, and I really wanted to see them. And
How long did you see them?
years, 15 years more or less. So it was really, really nice to be there with them. We were eating a lot those days.
Yeah, they were feeding us. They are feeders.
Yeah, I mean, yes, exactly. That's the way that they
Really
are.
Latina.
Showing
Latinos.
love, yes.
We went to the beach, to the calisthenics park.
Yeah. It was having a lot
It's
of
one
fun.
of the most famous calisthenics parks, I think, in Europe. for returning back to the Netherlands would be Valencia. Actually, we didn't plan really our trip, but we saw it and we were like, okay, let's go. And after seeing so many buildings, Paris,
Very
Brugge,
beautiful ones.
Barcelona, it was nice, but if we would have wanted to save more time, we would advise you to skip it. Sorry, people from Valencia, but
I mean, it's a really nice city,
for
but
sure. For just a
maybe for
bit
one
more than
day,
a day, is
yeah.
enough. How is this?
Beautiful and warm.
And we don't want to talk much about the wine region which we went after from Valencia back to the Netherlands, because that was not existing. I mean,
I really wanted to go towards a winery because I like those tours. And I convinced him to do it because at the beginning he didn't want to. And we said like, okay, let's go in a road where we have a lot of wineries. And then we can stop somewhere and just ask and take a tour. That was our plan.
Can you grab one for me? She's a professional. So where are we right now?
We are in a winery. We're trying to find, since just a day, a tour. It looks like it's a little bit hard. Ah, look, it's sticky because you have here like kind of a milk. It's super sticky. But we came here believing that maybe we can find a wine tour. Oh, this has worms. Super soft.
But yeah, getting a winery here is hard because
It's super hard.
you need to have an appointment apparently, and it is not what we were expecting. Huh?
This is the entrance to the church in my castle.
and then we went to Tossa de Mar as final stop to chill at the beach and have some nice views, because there's also a castle.
Lots of castles in Spain.
Yeah, Spain and France as well.
Yeah.
Just chill out a bit before, and now we are driving back to the last part of the trip, and that's going home to the Netherlands back again. At least for me, it's home. I don't know if you feel already home after being 6 days in my place. But yeah, let's go back and make it feeling more home for you. I'm gonna finish this video with the last shots you can see from our trip, and yeah, we're not sure what's gonna be the next trip and what's gonna be the next video. And still, again, like what I said at the beginning of the video, if you want to know more about how this happened, why this happened,
Why?
then let us know in the comments, or the people that have my WhatsApp, you can also text me, and I'll have her in the WhatsApp. You can also text her.
El chisme.
And yeah, that's it. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe. There's coming more, of course, and I need more fans. So we need now. It's now gonna be our channel. We need more fans, not only fans. We need more fans on the channel for getting more subscribers. So tell this to your friends. Send this to your friends. See you later.
Bye bye.